Hi, I'm Neeraj Deuskar. I'm from Cognizant and I'm Senior Director Marketing, taking care of Communication, Media and Technology Business Unit with marketing perspective for America's region. So today's Skillathon session was very good. The team applied their marketing knowledge, especially the product marketing knowledge, in the real life scenario, and the products were also quite innovative. They were on the B2B side as well as on the B2C side. So they spoke about the competition analysis, the market research, the overall marketing mix, the budgets, and how the overall value proposition. So I think the students' knowledge was also quite good in terms of what they learned and how they applied it. So overall, it was very enriching experience for me. So overall, it was very engaging, enriching experience for me. Also, a good learning experience. It's always good to go back to your student days, relate to those stuff, and then see how some of the things that the students are applying that in the real life. So it is not just about giving them the advice, but also learning from them and applying them in the real life. So overall, I'm very happy with this overall Skillathon program that IPL has started, and looking forward to such contributions going forward.